So the typical concerns with clients are in two areas. One is around data access and data privacy. The second is around model accuracy, which is more commonly known as hallucination. I will address two of them separately. In the first point, when there is private data or confidential data that clients are using, there are installations that allow the data to be contained within the environment and only allow it for specific use case that is being designed. We can create private models for that, as well as there are a lot of technology and infrastructure solutions that can be implemented to ensure this protection is there. On the second part of hallucination, as I had previously talked about, there are ways of countering the hallucination. There are ways in which you can leverage traditional AI, machine learning, rule-based systems to be feeder into Gen AI solutions that allow you to avoid hallucination. On top of that, as we have already talked about earlier, there is human in loop. The human in loop, as we discussed earlier, not only helps in improving model accuracy and hence stop or eradicate hallucination, it also helps in improving and fine-tuning the models on a go-forward basis. So I would say, obviously, like any technology, there are a lot of concerns, there are a lot of things that people need to be aware of and cognizant of as we are designing these solutions. Given our vast variety of experience and expertise in this area, we are able to come up with solutions that fits the client's needs and requirements.